Now we are going to perform a manual titration with the particle charge analyzer. To do this, we are going to insert 100 milliliters from the sample into the measurement cell. Put the chamber back on the slider and align the magnets. Turn the particle charge analyzer on. Let the reading stabilize. You can use a micro syringe or a micro pipette. Slowly add the titrant reagent. This is a 100 microliter pipette. Watch as the titrant reagent takes effect. The particle charge analyzer will show you when you have reached your desired millivolt level.